So as you can see, there's 2 of them in there, and they are 4.5 inches each. They're not very thick, but any little board will work. And next, we're going to have some fabric. I have this piece just laying around. I've had this fabric for years. You can use whatever fabric you wish. I just like this one because it is actually grits. So we're going to go ahead and get these cut out in little 4 patches. Right. I also have a little chunk of this one left over. So yes, you can use any leaf one you want, and I'm going to go ahead and cut out a few of these to kind of embellish it with. Now everything's cut out. Let's go ahead and get started. So, we're using Mod Podge. Something. There. We're going to do something like that now. Now that the little leaves are all on, we're going to coat the entire top of this with Mod Podge. And don't worry, it will dry clear if you get the right one, the right stuff. There you go. As you can see, this one's already clearing up. Alright, we're going to let these dry, and I'll see you in about an hour or so. Well, for you, a couple minutes. Like a second. Alright, these are nice and dry. Now we're going to add some more embellishments and finish it up. As you can see, I have a lot of buttons. And mix and match. Do whatever you want in your project. I'm actually going to go with the 3 same ones, which will look like that. Kind of reminds me of big ol' acorn. And I did find 3 of them, so perfect. Take all these, put them back in the pile. Alright, glue gun is ready. down in there. I've already drilled the holes onto the back through the front. You can do that. You can put little eyelets up here, however you want to hang it, but we're going to go ahead and do the hanger now. So I have leftover chunk of rope from macrame, and I'm going to go ahead and separate this into individual strands. And never throw things away that could be used for something else. And this is one of those cases. So, let's get a couple of these separated real quick. Since this rope does like to come untwined easily, I went and glued the end, gives me the sharp point to be able to feed it through. So now, starting with the bottom one, I'm going to take our two top pieces, top of the strings, come down about 5 inches, make a loop, make a little knot, and pull a taut. That's going to be the beginning of our hanger. Okay? So, now what you want to do is make sure your sides are even. Okay? This is where this comes in handy. So lay it out there on the line. And I'm evenly spaced, so I'm on center line, come up, and I'm center, and I have taunt on both sides. So both my sides are exactly straight. So what I'm going to do is take my little glue gun now, so it doesn't mess up. I'm going to flip this over right on the back here, and just give it just a little bit, not much. We'll do more securing in a bit. Okay? The next thing I'm going to do is I want to glue these straight down. A little line of glue. Don't go very far at first. And just like that. And just like what we did with the top, line them up, figure out how much space you want in between, and go 2 inches. Or and glue it down the way we just did. Little line of glue. And basically bring our rope on this side. Just like that. I do a very simple overhand knot, but when I pull it, I want it to stay as close as possible up there. Just like that. And then, like I did with the other ones, a little bit of glue. And there we go. So from here, you can just go hang it up if you want to, or if you have some spray lacquer, spray the whole thing front and back just to seal up the wood nice, which I'm going to go ahead and do, and get it hung up on the wall. I'll show you some after shots. And there you have it. I did put a little fire to the jute rope just to burn away the frillies. If you do that, you need to be quick on putting it out because it's very, very flammable. But there you have it.